Hi everyone. A voice assistant has one hard interface problem on the phone. After the prompt is sent, the user cannot directly see the work happening inside the system. Gemini's motion fills the visibility gap. The glowing wave gives the assistant a temporary body on screen. While the user waits, the screen still shows a living system state instead of leaving the conversation visually empty. The animation is not there only to make the interface feel polished. It helps the user read whether the assistant is still engaged in the exchange. When the screen goes quiet after a prompt, the user starts guessing. Maybe the system hears the request. Maybe it is still thinking. Maybe the response is stuck. Gemini reduces that guessing by keeping a visible signal on the screen during waiting moment. So the motion is carrying a practical rule. It turns the invisible processing time into something the user can follow. The second detail is direction. The motion begins near the input area, where the user starts the interaction, then moves upward toward the answer space. That direction matches the structure of the conversation. The user begins at the bottom of the screen, and the response appears above. The animation follows the same path. So the transition feels connected instead of feeling like the answer suddenly appears from somewhere. Gemini gives the AI process a spatial rhythm. The user can feel the system moving from request toward response before the task is fully formed. This becomes important when the interface state is no longer as simple as a button being pressed. An AI assistant can be active in a less obvious way. The screen needs a visual language for that middle state. The Gemini motion works when it connects the assistant's invisible work to a visible place on the screen. It makes the waiting moment readable, and it keeps the conversation attached to the same visual body.